Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to a brand new, hold on, let me go a little lower. Welcome back to a brand new day trade recap. Today it is July 14th. Damn, man, we're already halfway through July. That's crazy, huh, man? But hey, man, make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe. Again, everybody, I'm gonna try to be as transparent as possible. Day trading, it has a really bad reputation, and to be honest with you guys, a lot of people like hate on it. They think it's not real. They think it's a scam. So I'm creating this channel just to show you guys, a couple of my day trades, and to actually see I'm about 2 years in, and to see, what's up. Can we make some profits? This is why trading psychology, patience is so important. I mean, let's check it out today. So I entered into a quick SPY 370 put. It was a flat trade. It would have been profitable. I'll show you guys right now, but about $3. Commissions is about like $1 something. So in reality I only made like $1. So it's like, man, a flat day. But look, check this out. It honestly, it's 6:59 to 7, so literally about only a couple seconds. So let's see, 6:59. Let's actually go to the 1 minute chart so I can show you guys exactly where I entered. So 6:59, which was this candle right here. When I seen this little area and it broke to the downside, honestly I just collected, and then I went to around 7, and obviously you guys know me, man, I'm still new. I mean, I'm not that new, right? But obviously in the morning I always use market orders. I should be using limit orders, but sometimes I like to get in, get out, and it's the SPY, bro. Liquidity, all that, it's pretty high, volume's pretty high, so I don't think the fill should be that bad. But in this case it kind of was bad. I mean, I say this in every video. So yeah, we broke down. So pretty much when you hit a market order, for example, like on a put here, let me kind of tell you guys are gonna get filled like down here, bro, like at the very bottom of the candle. That's usually how it is. And for example, if you're gonna buy like a call, and if you hit a buy, you usually buy at the top. That's where it kind of fills you. So that's what I kind of figured out. So yeah, man, like check this out. So I got on this candle, probably got filled around this area. I got out around 7, so I probably got filled again. Vice versa. If I get a put and when I buy or I exit the position, it's gonna exit me out at the very top of the candle, which is gonna be like the least profits. And look at that, man. So I got this candle, and then like another minute it dropped. Look, from 372 all the way through 371.50. So about like a 50 cent. And again, yeah, I bought it around 200, and then it ended up going all the way, I think, to 253, 254. You know what? Actually, when I was looking at this trade, I believe it dropped, or it went up to like 230. So I was about like $30 in profit. If I would have waited, and again, everybody, this game, I'm gonna tell you guys, man, every single day, bro, it's a waiting game, bro. It really is a waiting game. But the reason why I took this was because like the entire pre-market, man, we were just falling, we're falling, and then we opened up, rejected the EMAs, VWAP, went back up, and then again rejected the 21, and then rejected the VWAP. So it was just rejecting a bunch of the you can say like the EMA. So this is pretty much where I got into like this area right here. So as soon as I seen this break, I'm like, okay, I'm probably gonna exit my position around here. So that's what I try to do. Like once we broke this wick right here, went down here, exit. But obviously, like the fill wasn't like the best, because again, I use market orders, so I gotta wait a little bit more. That's all I had to do. So once we had that little pop right here, bro, we had some good volume. Check it out right here, some good selling volume. So there was like literally no reason. I mean, just look at the volume. So you had that volume candle. So it's just like there was just no reason. And then you had all this time and sales, a bunch of red. So there was like, again, literally like no reason for me to exit the position. But psychology, FOMO, all this stuff going on in my head. It's just the morning too. I took an exit. So that's pretty much it for today's recap. It's nice, simple. What we would have profited, like, no doubt. Like, it would have been another profitable day. I mean, look at this. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Perfect, almost like a double top, to be honest with you guys. And look at that, we're probably going to keep on dropping. I mean, look, we broke through all these levels right here, this level right here. We broke through it, so I can see ourselves going a little bit lower. But then at the same time, I also did see like a little gap. So I also use, look, let me show you guys. So this is my setup. I should make like a setup video, but I got two screens, right? I got the 3-minute chart, I got the 5-minute chart, and then I just be switching up, you know, between the 15, you know, the 30, the hour, and then I also got trading view right here, because trading view I feel like gives me like a different view. I know it sounds weird, but it's like, bro, like, to be honest with you, like, look at it. Go on TradingView. If you guys never use TradingView, go on TradingView. It gives you like a new perspective, bro. Like, sometimes I'm just like, wait, what? So you guys see this right here? Here, let me see. Okay, yeah, perfect. Look, this area right here, you see? There's like a fat gap. And obviously I don't have the pre-market on TradingView, but I have pre-market on Thinkorswim. So if this, man, consolidates at the bottom, we could possibly go for like a gap fill, just like we did yesterday. Damn, man, yesterday would have been a crazy trade, bro. And I feel like it's probably, I could probably go in for another put right here. We'll see. See, this is where I would enter a put. Like, just keeping it real with you guys. If I were to enter a put right here, I would have my stop loss up here, and then I would just have my take profit down here. You know, and I would just simply wait, because it looks like it's rejecting it. Look, and it looks like a double top on the 5-minute chart. Look, you guys are seeing it live right here, man. This is my thought process. Simple like that, man. It's really that simple, bro. Don't overcomplicate things. Look at that. Off to him. See, look, this would have been a successful trade right here. Again, my stop loss would have been up here, and then take profit would have been like around this area. So it's like a 2-to-1, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. My fill probably would have filled me down all the way down here. So in reality, boom to boom. Not the best, but again, everybody, I've only been trading for about okay, so I think I took my first trade in September, I believe. No, in August, mid-August. So yeah, man. So you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, and another thing too. I should tell you guys as well. Look at that. We had a sell-off. We went back up and we tested the pre-market lows right here. Rejected. Boom. Look at that. Damn, I should have got into this trade, man. This would have been a live day trade recap turned into a live trade video, huh? I wanted to do a live trade, but man, I woke up today, bro. I was tired, man. I mean, again, everybody has their own life, right? You can't be perfect, man. You can't have all that energy all the time. So, wow, look at that. That would have been a beautiful trade. Look at that. Just like, and then honestly, I would have had a good entry on that too. You guys seen that little candle for me at the very top, right? Wow. Look at that. Let's see. I would have probably caught, let's see, 372, about a 50-cent profit so far, huh? Let me look at the VIX is going up. Yeah, man, that would have been a nice trade right there. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Again, it's like, bro, look, it's really that simple, man. If you feel like you're going to get into a trade, you know, you're getting that FOMO, just hop into the trade, man. But again, like I said, bro, like right there, I would have hopped into that trade. If it would have broke this candle right here, boom, I'm out right here. I don't care if it goes lower, anything, man. I'm keeping my losses small. I do not care. The whole point about this game is just keeping your losses small, bro. You might, at the very beginning, you might take a crap ton of losses, bro. And it's always, your losses are always bigger than your winners, you know? So you have to start slowly training yourself to, like, not do that, right? To let your winners ride and then cut your losers. Look at this, bro. Look how fast it turned. Look how fast that turned, bro. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. I do not. The moment this thing would have started wicking, bro, I would have got out of the position. I mean, that's just me, though, because I try to react quick. Look at this, bro. Look at this. And then, you know what? I feel like now it's going to drop all the way to the bottom. And that's one thing, look, that's pretty good. That I'm glad that kind of happened, because the market does get manipulated. So obviously there's a lot of people that say that market's a scam and all that, and like, I don't think it's a scam. I just feel like there's a lot of people out there that know how to control it. They have millions, you know, billions of dollars controlling this. So what they do is they try to go grab your stop, you know. So like I said, you know, people probably went short. Their stop was up here. They got stopped out. Now it's gonna go down. It could go that way, or it could just easily just go back up. Damn, look at that. But yeah, if we go to the 3, and look at that. Look at all this selling volume. Literally grabbed everyone, stopped everyone out in their puts, and now it might go down. That's why I don't use stop losses, bro. I use mental stop losses. But that would have sucked, though, because that's the thing, man. When you take L's and you use market orders, you're probably going to lose a little bit more than what you would win, because of, again, the fills, the orders and stuff. That's why it's a good thing to use limit orders, Dude, look at that. Here, let me show you guys on this definitely looks like some manipulation to me. Like, I feel like it is, because look, if you guys can see it, it looks a little bit different right here. My bad, I got a little greasy right there. You guys see that right there? People have their stops right on top of right there for puts. Boom, wicks up, stops everyone out, now goes down, collects everyone's money. That'd be funny if this thing keeps dropping. I don't know. That's crazy, man. The market, man. I'm telling you guys, man, the market. It does get manipulated. There's a bunch of like algorithms out there, institutional traders, you know, banks, hedge funds, all these things just trading big money. That's what they call smart money. And they're out here to try to get you, bro. And your job is to just learn the market, watch the market every day until you start to pick up these little tricks, watch YouTube videos. That's all it is, man. It really is just like that, bro. That trade would have been cool though. Like, I would have instantly, bro. I seen that thing wicking, instantly got out, boom, for a quick little profit. Cause that's not even cool, bro. Let's see. My mental stop would have been right here, bro. I would have got out 40 freaking cents. Like, that's how fast this thing be traveling. Sometimes you can't even react, bro. And I don't like putting stop losses, because I don't know if you guys notice, sometimes your stop, it don't even reach it and it gets like stopped out, because it's like, bro, orders are getting picked up, you know? Look at this, bro. What the heck is this? What was the point of this wick? Someone let me know. Okay, again, everybody, I'm brand new also. I made this channel so I could just, you know, start recruiting, make like a little community of brand new traders, transparent traders. None of that like IML, like, you know, none of that like spam BS. Yeah, I don't understand, man. I don't know why people be doing that. I mean, I get it, you know, get to the money, get your bag, but bruh, I don't know. But man, someone out there, you guys let me know, man, what you guys think that wick, that whole candle was about. Let me see. Look, let's go to the 3-minute chart. Bro, look at that. What was the point of this? What you know, it's, to me, it's the only thing is that people put their stops up here and someone bought it up, stopped everyone out, and is continuing the trade. I can tell you right now, bro, people are mad right now. They're like, ah, because look, they put their stop loss up here and they put their take profit up here, and now the thing's gonna go down to their profit. So it's like, bruh, man, y'all gotta be really careful. But now you guys gotta pay attention. Now 372.61 is an important level, I would say. That's where literally it went up and started selling again, so I'll keep that in mind. But yeah, the market, man, another day, another dollar. Technically I got $1. Broke even, but hey, $1 is $1. I'll take it. After commissions and fees, I'll take it. Yeah, man, so this is crazy, man. Market's lit, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. The market's lit. And I can see like a little, maybe like a little trend right here down there. Again, you guys know me, I don't draw trend lines, but sometimes it looks like they do work. But hey, I don't know, man. I'm just curious, bro. Is it gonna drop down? I hate moves like that, man. Because in reality, if I was in that, I would have took my exit. I would have lost big, and then it would have just came down. But let's see. Yeah, I mean, technically, let's see on the 3-minute chart, if this candle opened up and then it would have started going up, I would have instantly got out like, boom, I'm out, bro. And then boop, boop, boop. Maybe there was a lot of buy orders in this area right here. Who knows? As soon as it hit this, it just popped because of all those buy orders. Interesting. I don't know. I'll look at it too. You know what? Maybe it wasn't even like bearish at all. It was bullish the whole time. Again, I'm just a scalper, so I go for quick moves. So all this right here, whatever happens, happens. So yeah, man, make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload, man. This is Route to Infinite, just like always. Get to the money. And yeah, man, if you guys subscribe, you guys are going to become part of the 10%, bro. Again, 90% of traders fail, 10% of traders succeed, bro. 10% is so much, bro. So that's so big. Like, you guys have no idea, bro, how many people have tried stocks and it's just like, bro, they quit the first week, the first month, the first year. Like, bro, it's just, you guys go on YouTube, go to your guys' favorite day trader YouTube, best stock market channel that you guys watch. Go on the comments, bro. Just read the nonsense down there, bro. Read the nonsense. It blows my mind, bro, that a lot of people are just still look at this as a get rich quick. Like, nah, bro. Yeah, you could get rich quick in a day after like 4 or 5 years of experience. I don't know, man. I'm gonna just keep it as real as possible with you guys, man. But yeah, today we broke even, bro. And majority of the days are like this, bro. I break even because I mess up on my market orders. I let my winners ride. Sometimes I cut them out too early. Sometimes I let my losers ride, bro. Oh man, yeah. It looks like we might be going up, or honestly, I don't even know what's gonna go on. To be honest with you guys, bro, I ain't even gonna front, bro. I'm not gonna be one of these like rules, like, you know what? It's gonna go up here if it breaks here. It's gonna go to nah, bro. We're not gonna predict the market. We're gonna react to the market. That's what we're gonna do, bro. That's what we're here to react to the market, to these moves. Look at that, man. That's messy right here. That is messy. I would not be trading right now, but anyways, everybody, man, I hope you guys got green today. Let me know in the comments down below how'd you guys do today. And like always, everybody, I will catch you guys in the next trading recap video. Oh, look at that. Wow. We probably are going to the upside, huh? Gap fill? You guys let me know.